Hi everyone. We're doing 12.5% of 12.4 and Louie's here to give us a really great idea.
Yes.
Okay, Louie, how are we going to find out 12.5% of 12.4?
So first we're going to think of it as money.
Okay.
And we're just going to split this 3 times into equal groups.
Okay, so I think what you're trying to say is you're going to divide 12.4 by 2 3 times in a row.
Yes.
To make 8 equal groups. So let's show everyone what that looks like. So we'll start off with 12.4, and that's really 100%, right?
Yeah.
That's 100%. Okay, now if we divide this into 2, then we have...
Then we would have $6.20 or 6.2.
Okay, and that would really be 50%, right?
Yeah.
Now let's split this again.
To 25%.
Okay, so 25%. And so what's 6.2 divided by 2?
It's
2 equal
3.1 or $3.10.
Okay. Okay, now we've got to find the 12.5%, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got to divide 3.1 divided by 2. So now you really want to think about it as money, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's $3 divided by 2?
That would be $1.50.
Okay, and then this is like 10 cents, right? So what's 10 cents into 2 equal groups?
10 cents into 2 equal groups would be 5 cents.
So it's $1.50 plus 5 cents, which would be $1.55, right? So
now we just have to keep on splitting these.
Yeah. And how many equal groups will we have here, Louie?
We will have 8.
8 equal groups. Okay. So, and there they are, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's 12.4? What's 12.5% of 12.4?
That would be $1.55.
Or 1.55, right?
Yeah.
Perfecto. Great job.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Anna's here and she's got a great idea for finding out 12.5% of 12.4.
Mm-hmm.
So how are you going to do this, Anna?
Well, I'm going to split the 12.5 into 10 and into 5. 2.5.
10 and 5, and then you're going to split the 5 into 2.5 again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's figure this out. So 10%, I know you love taking 10%.
Because it's just moving the decimal over.
This decimal, right? Not
Yeah.
that one, this one of whatever you're finding
Yeah,
the percentage of.
I forgot.
Okay, so 10% of 12.4 is?
$1. Oh, need 1.24.
Or $1.24 if you're thinking in terms of money. Okay, 5%, now that you have 10%, is really easy, right?
It's just half of it, so it's 0.62.
And that's because you're thinking about this in terms of money, right? $1.24 divided by 2 would give you 62 cents. 0.62. Oh, yeah, put that 0 there. Okay, and then we're going to split this once more to get 2.5%.
And the reason we did that
by 2,
extra
right?
5% is because now we just have to split that in half.
Okay, so what's half of 62 cents?
31
cents, right? So 0.31. Okay, now there's a little point here.
We don't need this anymore.
No, so we just had the 10% plus the 2.5%, and then we have our answer, right?
Yeah.
So 10 and 2.5 would give us 12.5%. And what's $1.24 plus 31 cents?
$1.55.
Okay, is 1.55. So 12.5% of 12.4 is 1.55. That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.